In this video, we're going to demonstrate the real-time dashboard capabilities of DataPoint. On the left is a PowerPoint slideshow that we've set up, and it's running in its own window. On the right, we have a simple Excel spreadsheet that has information such as KPIs, revenue, cash flow, etc. This information could come from any of thousands of data sources, including your accounting program, your business intelligence program, your enterprise resource platform, or JSON or XML. But in this case, we're just going to use Excel because it's really easy to show in a demonstration. On the dashboard, you'll see we have a number of charts and a number of KPIs over here. Now let's see what happens when we change some of these in real time. So the 2024 revenue trend, as you can see, goes up and takes a sharp drop in December. So we find that area of the chart here, and you'll see it drop to 30,000. What if that was 50,000 instead? So we're going to make that change and hit save. And shortly, you will find that the chart here will update so that it will be showing the latest results. In addition, you'll see that we have here the highest revenue trend over time is $64,000. In this case, we could change that to 84,000 and once again save, and that will update shortly. Now you notice over here that this chart has now updated. It's gone, and the 84,000 has also updated both here and in this chart. So these ones have updated in real time. Similarly for KPIs, if our revenue, we changed it from 17.5 to $18.5 million, and we hit save, and this box will update shortly as well. And there you go. You see that's changed. Number of projects completed, 375. And again, we're going to change that, and that will change there as well. So the boxes can update in real time, and the charts can update in real time. Similarly, if we go to cash flow, and if we felt that for 2024, the operating cash flow should now be 35,000, and we hit save. Oh, that was 35,000 already. Let's go 45,000, save. And once again, in a moment or two, that will update as well. And there we go, it's up to 45,000. If we go over to expenses, if salaries were now going to be 40% instead of 35, and we save, then again, that will update down here shortly. And you can see that that's going to be there. And let's go to, so that's really all the various ratios there. Any of these can change in real time. So how did this work? How do we do this? So first off, I'm just going to escape the presentation. And then I'm going to expand this just so we can see better. And you'll see we have a DataPoint ribbon up here, which is our add-on to PowerPoint. And if we go to the list section under connections, it will show all the different connections that we've made. And here I've got tons of different connections: Facebook, Instagram, weather, Salesforce, Google, but in this case, we're using Microsoft Excel. And you see we've got this financial dashboard that we've connected to. And in this case, then we've got individual connections in each case to the data there. And with this connection, we can edit how often we want this to update. So if we want this to be 1 second instead, then we can go ahead and do that, and that will update quicker. So in each case, each of these charts and boxes are connected to something. So we click on this chart, click on chart here, and then we can choose which data connection we're using. In this case, it's the revenue one. Similarly, for these text boxes like this one and this one, we would go data point, then connect the text box, and then we would choose again which source it's going to be. And you see, we see the preview down here nicely. So that's the overview of how to set up a financial performance dashboard, a real-time dashboard using DataPoint. Please hit the like and subscribe button on YouTube to help others find our content. Thanks for listening.